Hello Sony shooters, welcome to the channel. So in August this year, Sony released a software, the Imaging Edge Webcam for Windows, which would allow you to use your Sony camera as a webcam for video conferencing apps like Zoom, Skype, or whichever one that you use. But Mac users couldn't benefit from that, and we needed to still use other third-party accessories like the Elgato Cam Link, which is an HDMI capture that you would need to connect to your camera to then connect to the computer. So I'm happy to say that 2 days ago, Sony released the update of this software for the Mac, so you will be able to use your camera as a webcam even if you have a Mac computer right now. So today I want to walk you through the 3 steps that you need to do in order to connect your camera to the computer, which pretty much will be the downloading and installation of the software, the setup that you need to do on your camera, and then finally the setup that you need to do on your device. And for this example, I'm going to be using the Zoom conferencing system. It's very easy. Let's jump into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just to go on the Sony Imaging Edge Webcam application website. I'm going to leave the link on the description box below, but you can also Google it. It's very easy to find. So once you're in the website, you're going to see which cameras are compatible with the software. As you can see, for instance, in my case, I have the Sony a6400. So all you need to do is to just select the camera that you have, and then you need to click here and choose if you want to download it for Windows or Mac. In my case, I definitely want to download it for the Mac. After that, all you need to do is click to install. So you double click on the package, continue through the installation. So once you're done, you just need to click on restart and your computer should restart itself. So now that your computer has restarted, it's time to set up your camera. And on the Sony website, you can actually find information depending on the model on which setup that you need. So in my case, for instance, I'm gonna need this setup. All that I need to do is just ensure that my control with smartphone is turned off, because what I'm gonna need to do is turn the USB connection to PC remote, and I'm not able to do that if the control with smartphone is not turned off. So once you're done with that, depending on the model of your camera, you're gonna need to turn your dial to auto, or you're gonna need to turn it to movie. In my case, again, I need to turn it to movie. You can check on the website if your model is one of those, then you need to turn it to auto. So once you're done changing the menu, all you need to do is to connect the USB cable to your camera and to the computer. After that, it's very simple. Come to your computer and open the video conferencing app of your choice. So in my case here, this is Zoom. And as you can see, it's now shooting me through the webcam that is connected on my computer. It's not recording through this camera here. So what I want to do now is just come here to this arrow. In this case, again, this is on Zoom, but anywhere in your app that you can change the setup or which camera that you would like to see. And then I'm gonna change here to Sony Imaging Edge. And here it is. So now instead of recording with this webcam from the computer, is recording here from my camera. So that's it. Now you can enjoy your new high-resolution webcam. Let me know in the comments below if that was helpful to you at all. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because why not? And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.